In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text colors in Notion. Whether you're brand new to Notion or just looking to refine your workspace, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to change the color of an entire block of text, like a paragraph or a heading, so your pages feel more organized and scannable. First, a quick note on how Notion thinks about content. Everything you type sits inside a block. A block can be a heading, a paragraph, a to-do, even a quote. What we're covering today changes the color for the entire block at once, which is perfect when you want a consistent look and don't want to tweak each word individually. Let's start with the fastest method, /commands. Click into the block you want to color. At the very beginning or the very end of that block, type // followed directly by a color name. Then press enter. For example, you can type /blue, pink, or yellow and confirm with enter. Notion will instantly apply that color to the whole block. If you see a small menu pop up after typing the /, that's normal. Notion is offering suggestions. Keep typing the color name and hit enter to apply it. If it doesn't trigger, double check that you typed the / and the color with no extra spaces, and that your cursor is in the block you want to affect. If you prefer using menus or you like to preview options first, try the block menu. Hover your mouse to the far left of the block until you see the drag handle icon with 2 vertical dots. Click that icon to open the block menu. In the menu that appears, choose Color. You'll see a panel of choices for text colors and background highlights. Pick the one you like, and the entire block updates immediately. Text colors change the letters themselves, while background highlights place a soft color behind the text. Both are great for creating visual hierarchy and drawing attention to key sections. A couple of quick tips as you work. Apply colors thoughtfully so they support readability rather than distract from it, especially on longer pages. Reserve bright tones for headings or callouts, and use softer shades for supporting text. Consistency across your workspace will make your pages feel professional and easy to navigate. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.